and his partner from Orlando, Florida, Machine. And at a combined weight of 420 pounds, Alex Shirley and Chris.
Machine guns and MCMG doesn't hesitate. Shelley and Sabin go right after you.
Michael, these men have held gold all over the world together and as single competitors. For them, success in WWE represents a liar.
The bloodline, no cross the bloodline.
Picture perfect into the corner. Oh, and he manages to reverse. Tag bait. Double team. Atomic drop in a basement drop kick. And look at this. Oh, he's got the shoulders down. Here's a tag. Double team. A hip toss. And a kick to boot.
Oof, insult to injury. When you see a unit as aligned as they are, it's really incredible.
Getting.
Superstars setting up.
Spiked with a urine part, picking it apart. The arm's as good of a place to focus as any.
Tonga low reverses and looks to capitalize.
Sabin outthought him there.
Close line. And a well-timed counter.
Insecurity finds its mark.
Battering away with a series of brutal clotheslines in the corner. Down there.
And he makes the tag.
Watch out, coming in hot.
Body slam.
Oh, stomping away. Oh, launching him to the corner.
Set up.
Oh my, a jumping.
Tonga goes for the pin. He makes the save. Tonga.
That has Sabin counting the lights.
Two. Hangs on by a thread.
In the corner for something.
Double big back body drop. His opponent keeps piling it on him.
And in these situations, it's hard to not get desperate, to start going for Hail Mary play.
Not looking good. In this one. Insecurity. Into the pin. Could be over for Tongaloa. On the stave.
Chris Sabin muscling up his opponent. Little spin.
And a cradle shock.
Is Sabin closing this out?
Got it. Fantastic job by the Guns tonight.
The Motor City Machine Guns got stronger as the match went on, and it earned them the win.